Hi, my name is Andrei. I am from LumiRing Incorporated. We are making this video together with Pipl systems and showing the way how you can use wireless technologies to connect different access control systems around in the building, especially remote readers, and how well you can get penetration of wireless signal through a lot of obstacles, concrete, walls, ceilings, you name it. So here we have two devices. One is a master device, another slave. This goes towards the place where you have your access panel. And down there is access panel. We leave one here and walk with this. All you do, just connect it to USB. Let's go. So here we went through the whole building to the parking garage on the first floor, through all the concrete and in a modern building, and you see there is a steel connectivity that is 78%. The bars here shows the actual strength of your signal, and that's where your readers is installed. So this connectivity is very easy and it's already there. It's very easy to make site survey. Let's go further. We're gonna go down because 78% it's nothing. Two floors, 71%. Amazing. No problem to penetrate through all these obstacles, including metal, pipes, you name it, all the rebars in these buildings. These walls are pretty thick, believe me. Let's go. So 3 floors, through all the concrete, rebars and everything, you still have amazing connectivity. We've been walking all the time this and seeing that the connectivity was still there through all these paths. And there is one fun way to check. Imagine you have a power loss. Let's make sure the device will reconnect. I will unplug it and plug it back. This is simple USB bank connected to wireless Wiegand. Ta-da! Connectivity back, it shows the connection is up. Amazing. Let's make another test and check how this connectivity, how this technology will work through many floors up. We're gonna go on a 17th floor to this building. Imagine there is a new room, a new venue is being installed there, and you need to get access control or any kind of signaling cable to 17th floor from the control room that's on the first floor. Let's go. So we are now in a closed elevator that's metal. So it's a Faraday's cage. Technically, it's the hardest place for any wireless signal to go through, and we still have a connectivity. This is absolutely not ideal scenario, but we still go further. Door opened, we got better signal. Again, installation in any place where you have all the metal around is not ideal. It's better to not to install in such venues, but still, as here, it's still possible to have wireless Wiegand inside very challenging radio frequency environment. It still works. Our engineers made a marvel with this technology. 17th floor, here you go. Still connection, still up, still holding. Here you go, we're on the 17th floor in a modern condo building. Through all these obstacles, there is still very good, reliable connectivity. You can get signal, you can get access cards, you can get RFID readers, relays, and any type of low voltage signaling through this. Also RS485, 46%. This is amazing. And connectivity doesn't go through our second portion. The master unit is not standing outside, it's inside the building. So we believe this is amazing results, and you can make almost any type of the system working wirelessly, reliably, without any problems. So with wireless Wiegand technology, you can get Wiegand OSDP RS485 relays, inputs, outputs, on a long distances through many obstructions to many different type of installations. It doesn't really have to be access control, and can be signaling, and can be smart building, smart home systems, some type of automation. In this example, we went through all the building and up to the open air. Actually, on an open air long distance, this system will work really far. You're talking about tens of miles. I think we can get easily not just to that building, but to the mountain at the end. And if you change the antenna to directional, there'll be no problem to go even further. We've been told with the right antenna, you could hit to the satellite with a small wireless Wiegand. This video we made together with Pipl Systems. They allowed us to do these fun tests and reach to the audience. So please, if you have any questions, put comments, contact us directly, talk to Pipl Systems. They're amazing folks. Please make sure you get more interesting comments and ideas coming in our ways. Wireless Wiegand.